Nest just released a new update. Let's talk about it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the new videos I release. So now, your Nest doorbell will detect your packages? That is pretty awesome. I mean, I've got Amazon and I've got different services that come to my house and deliver stuff, and I get notifications all the time that they've delivered something, but it's kind of nice to have an extra little thing that it's actually delivered. So, you know, when you get your Amazon packages and sometimes they mark them delivered before they're actually delivered. I don't know if that happens to anybody else, but sometimes I've been home and I get an email saying, or a notification or a text or something saying that my package has been delivered, but then I look outside and I don't see anything. And then a little bit later I see the truck ride up and then he comes and brings me my package. Well, with the new Nest update, it has package detection in it. And that will, if you have a package on the porch and it's in view of the Nest, it'll be able to look at it, detect it, and send you a message that shows you that you have a package there. Now, the one caveat is that you have to have Nest Aware, and that's a subscription service, but I think most of us have that, so we can go back and check our recordings and, you know, just, you know, it's an awesome feature. I mean, I use it all the time and I would recommend it to anybody. Okay guys, just a little bit more background on that Nest Aware. Now, what it says is Nest Aware catches everything you've missed. Nest Aware continuously records what's happening 24/7 for 30 days. You can scan through your entire video history for that 30 days, not just clips. To see what you missed. You also get alerts for things that matter, like when your Nest Cam spots a person, it'll automatically detect you who's coming and going, or if someone's new. You can also do facial recognition to so mine, what it does is if I had multiple people coming up, I can look in the app and it has a section where it says I think it's people. I'll check that for you, but I think it's people or faces, and you click on that and then you can assign names to those people. So when someone's coming up, the doorbell will alert you that, hey, you know, my wife Janessa is coming, or my mom's coming, or whoever's coming. Okay, and so the subscriptions are a 5-day, which is 5-day video history, 24/7 continuous recording, intelligent alerts, clips and time lapse, and activity zones. Now, activity zones are, you can have any place on your like porch. We'll say you have the camera on your porch, so you can actually designate one area, basically draw out one area that you want to always have detected. And that's $5 a month. So for 10 days, you get a 10-day video history, 24/7 continuous recording, intelligent alerts, clips and time lapse, and the activity zones, and that's $10 a month. The last one is the 30-day, which I was just mentioning, and that's of course 30 days of video history, 24/7 continuous recording, intelligent alerts, clips and time lapse, and activity zones. And that is again $30 a month. It's time for the question of the day. Does this feature seem like something you'd be able to use? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Before I go, please click that like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I'll see you in the next one.